Charleston, South Carolina. I have never been here, and everybody in the community has been telling me it's one of the cities that I have been missing out on, and I could not agree more. It's super romantic, unbelievable architecture. We just got here, filmed with Deirdre already. It's 38 degrees outside, and I'm still enjoying it. Today, I actually have the honor of hosting the meetup with a gentleman named Tim Bratz. Now, Tim Bratz is a multifamily educator and a guy that is currently holding about $5 million of my cash in a couple of assets that him and I are partnered on. It's gonna be a good vlog. Let's go.
Can I get everybody's attention? We're gonna play a game called Secret Santa. All right, this is a fun networking game where you have to find 3 specific people in this crowd. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go around. This is gonna be 30 minutes. Rapid networking. The prize, the first person that gets all 3 Secret Santas, I'll tell you what that means in just a second. The first person that comes up to me, Jamil, or Jerry, and says, I found all 3 Secret Santas, we will fund your next fix and flip with no interest and no points. Okay? Sound good? Who's fixing and flipping here? Okay, is that a worthy prize, yes or no? Okay, so here's the problem. If you're new, this is not the way your brain's gonna think. I don't do fix and flips. This value is not for me. Bah humbug. If I win, can I come to you and partner with you on your next fix and flip? Yes. Okay, who in here is brand new? You've never done a project, raise your hand. This is a wonderful way for you to take my money, Jamil's money, and Jerry's money, and go and partner with people that are doing fix and flips in here and say, cut me in on this deal, I got free money. Okay, if it saves you 25 grand, would you cut them in for 10 grand? Okay, so 2 people win. So Jerry, Jamil, and I are pooling our money together, no interest loan on your next project. Here's how you win. You have to find all 3 Secret Santas. The way you find them is you're gonna go around this room and you are going to ask everybody you meet, what do you have and what do you need? Number 1 is, somebody will say, I have a fix and flip in Orlando coming up. Okay, that's one of our Secret Santas. I have a fix and flip coming up in Orlando. Okay? Another person's going to say, I have a Mississippi affordable home park. Okay, that's an asset class you've never heard of before, so you're gonna have a hard time. They're gonna say, I have a Mississippi affordable home park. Okay, number 3, this next person is going to say, I have an RV park in Tennessee. Okay, does everybody got that? On the count of 3, say yes. 1, 2, 3.
Yes! No!
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna end this. If I were you, yes, go ahead, Rachel.
We have to put the contacts in your phone. You can't just go.
Okay, that is correct. Okay, here's the thing. In order to win, you can't just bring those 3 people up to us. This is a networking game that everybody wins when you leave here. If you guys left here with 15 new relationships, do you feel like you came here for the right purpose?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. We got 35 minutes starting right now. Let's go.
We have a winner. We have a winner. All right, so check this out. These 2 lovebirds just got engaged, just FYI. And they met at Squad Up Summit. Sub2mingles.com is launching officially tonight. Okay, can you tell us, Jackie, who are the 3 people? Who do we got? Alex, tell us.
Sam, Trevor, and Whitney.
Sam, Trevor, and Whitney, where are we at? So Whitney, Park Hill, Sam all the way back there. Where's Trevor? Then Trevor right there. Trevor, how many people actually came up and talked to you tonight? 5. crazy. I was looking around the room and I was like, if I could judge all of you guys on your networking skills, y'all stayed in the same places almost the whole night. You stayed in the, dude, you haven't even left that same spot. Okay, give it up for these two lovebirds right here. They're the ones that won. Hey, by the way, if I were you, whoever is flipping in this market, I would go up to these girls and go, can we do a project together? Because they got free money. Oh, Birdie's already locked it up. Oh my gosh.
Of course she did.
I'm Alex. I live here in Charleston.
And I'm Jackie. I'm originally from Boston, but now I live in Charleston. The meetup was great. Honestly, I haven't been to a meetup here in Charleston yet. I've been to the ones in New England, and I think it was a great turnout. Like, a little chilly, but we stayed warm and
A little chilly.
but we got to meet a lot of great people.
A lot of great, from all over, not just Charleston, people from Alaska and New York and Florida, all over. So it was really great. I was like standing there just chatting with Sam, and then Jackie's like, we should go tell Pace. And I was like, we're in a conversation.
I was like, what are you doing? But then Alex was like, Alex doesn't like to be on camera, so this is really, really good for her. So I was like, you need to go, and Pace is standing like maybe right here, and she's like behind him like, what are you doing? But I think it was great. Like, I think the whole purpose of the game was to just get to meet different people, and it is funny. Like, we kind of all stick to like our groups and we meet one person, two people, we end up talking to them, but it really does help to like go meet different people.
Get you out of your shell, definitely. Yeah. And it's still surreal. I don't even know what it means. I don't know what I won, but I'm pretty excited to just be here.
Awesome. Honestly, if we hadn't joined Sub 2, like, we wouldn't be getting married. No. That's just kind of what it comes down to.
I wouldn't have known like my potential if it wasn't for Sub 2 and the community.
Yeah.
Like, it's pretty incredible what Pace has built. And now, I mean, Jamil and Jerry Norian, but yeah, this nothing compares to this community.
Charleston, South Carolina, this was an incredible meetup. We had Jerry Norian come out, and Maria Norian and Jamil Damji, my best friends. They came out, had a blast. A lot of deals were getting done in there. So the two winners of tonight's contest, Secret Santa, ended up getting a voucher of money that basically they'll get no interest on it. So we're putting our money together, we're gonna fund a deal. Here's what's funny. So Birdie, Leah, and who else was? Oh, Birdie, Leah, and Whitney Parkhill already had a deal that they needed funded. So those three girls that were hosting the meetup ran right up to Alex and her fiance and said, we have a deal, we want you to fund with these guys' money. So a deal got done and a deal got funded, all from the Secret Santa game. This was a really, really unique meetup. You have anything fun to say?
I just am absolutely in love with Charleston.
Yeah.
This city is great. Birdie did a phenomenal job. The whole team put a beautiful event together. It felt festive, it felt connected, it felt beautiful. On top of that, people got to meet each other. They got new connections. Birdie got a deal funded.
Yeah.
Whitney got a deal funded. Jerry wore a suit. That was really, really
I've never seen that happen.
Really,
I've never seen you in a bow tie. I've seen you dressed nice. We love you, Charleston. Shout out to everybody that put this all together, all of the sponsors that made this happen. Shout out to Jerry, Jamil, and even Rachel. She killed it today. She did an incredible job. We love you. We'll see you guys in Greenville, South Carolina.
Peace.